Hey guys, we are back at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. This is our first time being back in the park since the Loch Ness Monster opened. So we just got our first ride on that. We're gonna have more on that a little bit later in the video.
Plus we've got Food and Wine Festival. We haven't been here for Food and Wine Festival yet, so we're excited to hit up some of those booths and just have a great day. I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Eric. Let's go.
All right, so big family news. We checked the height check right in the front of the park this morning, and Logan is tall enough now to ride Pantheon and Apollo's Chariot. So 52 inches, we are ready.
We are right in front of Pantheon right now. It says a 5-minute wait, so couldn't have been even more perfect. There he goes.
Are you excited? Yeah.
All right, let's go guys, come on. All right, so quick update. Logan was not tall enough. He missed it by like just this little teeny tiny insignificant amount, I feel like.
And they really pushed him down. Like they take that little bar and they really push him down. And I'll tell you, I looked at it in the front of the park and his head was hitting that bar at the front of the park. So parents just, you know, but listen, we're not the type to complain or argue or anything like that. So we're following the rules and we want him to be safe. So that's the most important thing. So, but now that means that we are going to the next best thing, which is Dark Coaster, and that's Loki's favorite. So that's where we're going.
So let's hope the line over there isn't too bad. It is, what do we got? About 11 o'clock on this Sunday morning. So, you know, we got here early. We did what we tell you guys all the time. Sunday for the weekend and get here early. Yeah. And so far it hadn't been too bad.
But soon I am getting hungry and I am seeing a lot of delicious looking food and wine festival booths. In fact, we are walking under Italy's booth right now and I'm getting hungry. So
it's not quite open yet.
Doesn't look open yet, but we're hitting them up really soon.
We will be back.
Yeah.
25 minutes for Dark Coaster.
Are we gonna wait on this one?
I think 25 is not bad.
All right, so the kids are on Dark Coaster, so I am at Bar Castle. Is that?
When the kids go to Dark Coaster,
I go to Bar Castle.
Go to Bar Castle is where the adults go. And so what are you drinking today?
Okay, so I got the Cocojito, which is Bacardi rum and Malibu coconut rum. I love Malibu rum. So it is very tasty, but it's sweet. So you gotta like sweet drinks. I do. Also, while we were here, we got the Sip and Savor sampler card. We got the 15 because we just know we're gonna eat a lot. So we just went ahead and took care of business. Got that while we were here. But yeah, this particular booth does have a few little foodie things, but mostly drinks. This is mostly a drink place.
Yeah, that's why it's called Bar
Castle.
That's
right. Second stop, Jamaica. And now we're finally gonna get some food. So they've got Jamaican patty, gamba fritters, jerk chicken slider, Toto rum cake. What do you think?
Well, see, I'm thinking the jerk chicken slider.
Definitely jerk chicken slider. I'm also thinking Jamaican patty.
I think, yeah, let's go with those two.
Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. I like Jamaican punch already. I can look at it and tell I'm gonna love it. This one's what?
The beef patty.
Beef patty, okay. And that's the slider. Cool. Thank you guys so much.
Dark and stormy?
Oh yeah, the dark and stormy.
Don't forget the dark and stormy. Good. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give a little shot of the dark and stormy.
Okay.
I've already had a little sip, but it's really good. But I had to kind of stir in the rum kind of was floating on the top, so I had to stir it in just a little bit. But it's a good dark and stormy. Sweet. I mean, it's got that ginger beer in there that kicks. Yeah, absolutely. You take a little sip. It's got a nice little spice to it.
That is yummy.
I know, right?
Ooh, I've already tasted mine. I like that one better than mine.
Okay. Oh, we're spilling. Oh, we're spilling all over.
I'm sorry,
Here we go. Okay.
Okay. It's because it melts really fast because it's so hot.
It's very true. All right, well, let's try some of this food now, okay?
All right. Help me. What's it called? The beef patty.
The Jamaica patty, yeah.
Jamaican beef patty.
Jamaica beef patty.
So, can I, up close, can you see?
Yeah, it's got a little something in there.
It's got some beef in there.
Okay, I got the slider. Jerk chicken slider. It's got a little slaw in there.
And there's a yummy sauce, it looks like, too, for the...
little dipping sauce or something for that?
We'll have to check that out. The Jamaican patty, it's pastry crust, spicy beef, and coconut jerk dip is the dip. So that's the coconut jerk dip. And the jerk chicken slider has the mango salsa and cilantro lime slaw. I could drink this sauce. Maybe put it in the bath.
Between the Jamaica patty and the jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
I think the patty.
Patty?
What do you think?
I don't know. They're both
really good.
I really like this. I love the jerk because I like how sweet this is.
Yeah.
But that sauce is so good. Don't make me choose.
This is a tough booth. You come up there, so many good options. I do like that our first booth of the day was like in like the back of the park. Just moving our way around. There's no wrong way to start your food eating expedition
But
around the
I will
park.
say, I really want to go to Mexico.
Also, one thing to remember is we did get here a little early this morning, and the food booths do not open until 11:30.
The Bar Castle was open a little bit early.
Yeah, they were
That
open.
worked out. But I don't know. I feel like we started on a high note.
So we made it to the Mexico booth. We got a receipt, taco trio.
Yeah, we're gonna get some tacos. I'm excited.
I am looking forward to this.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this for a while.
All right, let's get these tacos.
Let's go.
Beef?
Beef. Start with the beef. And I've already limed them up.
Pork? Ooh, they've already been
Pre-limed.
pre-limed.
Pork is what is up. Oh my gosh, that's good.
This is pickled onions. Here, I'll switch around.
Ooh, the beef is salty. Beef is very salty. And I love salt, but that's pretty salty. Kind of barbacoa-y tasting the beef is.
Yeah.
What do you think about the pork?
Pork is good. I like the it's not real strong, but those like the pickled onions on top, just like a little
Pickled onions are good, little sweet.
flavor there.
A
Yep.
little sweet. Ooh, that's so good.
Like a nice slong.
Nice and crunchy. What do you think? I've not tried this one yet.
Haven't you prickly pear?
I mean, much as I say, like, it's cool and stuff, but I actually don't really have to try it.
Right?
It's slightly carbonated. That's good.
I like prickly pear better.
That one's sweeter. So, I don't know. They're both good. Side by side, I think I have to agree. Prickly pear. It's very good. Mexico booth.
So here we have the pork slider. This is from the Hawaii festival booth here.
Yeah, we got the Kālua Pork Slider, which is pulled pork, pineapple sweet roll, and pineapple coconut slaw.
And then we have the Loco Mocha. This is a new item this year.
Hamburger patty, fried egg, sushi rice, and brown gravy. Here you go.
Check that out, yeah. It's got a sweetness because of that pineapple in there.
I need some of this slaw.
Pineapple.
There's pineapple on it.
Just eat the whole entire slaw off because I don't want slaw in mine.
Well,
It does not taste like turkey. It tastes like a hamburger.
tastes like a hamburger with rice.
It's like a Salisbury steak.
It tastes like a strawberry.
It tastes kind of like a turkey. I said kind of. It does.
Oh my gosh.
My sliders, what's
What
up?
do you think, boy?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
How's that smell?
Very good.
I'm gonna try that. I want to try that.
It's a really good slider.
Slider's better.
Yeah.
This is probably the
That to me, the meat was dry to me.
Oh, real?
This is probably the
It was okay. I mean, it's not bad. The gravy helps it.
Yeah,
probably the
But the meat itself, if the gravy wasn't there, to me the meat is a little dry. But it's not bad. It's still good. The kids are loving it.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, I'll
It's like a
keep- there you
Salisbury
go.
steak dinner.
In the misty morning highway, our hearts are thumping you. Come round, girl. You are girl.
So this booth is the Virginia booth. We've got the Chesapeake style crab cake slider. This is a new item. This has Chesapeake style crab cakes, microgreens, and remoulade sauce.
Yeah, kind of the microgreens
Open it up
and
a little bit.
little microgreens in. We got a remoulade on the bottom. Kind of see that floating around there. Okay.
And then we've got the dessert is the apple crisp, oatmeal crumble, and bacon jam.
With bacon jam.
Stop it. So we didn't just get one, we got.
Well, if you get something that sounds that good, you got to get two.
Well, and also with our kids, we had to get two.
Well, yeah, because they'll destroy it. And then you got for drinks, you got a little.
I got the apple pie moonshine.
Where should we? So we got the apple pie
Moonshine. And you got the Duke of Clouds IPA from Three Notched Brewing, right?
Yes, I may or may not have had a sip. I didn't want it to spill, so I've already
Took care of that a
I
little
pre-sampled
bit.
that.
How was it?
It's tasty. It's a good
Tasty?
IPA.
I'm gonna taste it. Might as
Taste
well
it.
start there.
As well.
Ooh, that is good. It's refreshing, crisp. It's good on a hot day. Very nice. But I'm telling you, I'm not a moonshine person, but best drink that I've had all day.
Wow, that says a lot.
So I completely interrupted myself because I found a
We
seat.
found a table. We were standing. I was standing over here. People got
So I
up.
had to grab it. I saw people swarming for the seat, so I was like, we gotta get this chair. Anywho's, I was talking about the moonshine. Best drink that I've had today.
Best drink of the day. All right.
Apple pie moonshine.
Okay. Apple pie moonshine from the Virginia booth.
Taste it.
Let me give a little sip.
It smells so good.
It does smell good, doesn't it? Also, that might be the apple pie.
It is good, isn't
It's
it?
very sweet, but it's
Oh,
good.
yeah.
And I'm usually more of a rum or tequila
Now you got to
person.
try this with a
With?
little. All right, let's dig into these.
I don't know. I feel like you need to start.
Oh.
Okay, dessert first. Dessert
I don't know.
first.
Dessert first. Why not? Here, you start with the dessert. The kids, they have here. This is yours.
Oh,
Y'all
okay.
guys get that one.
You guys have that one. This is bacon, and this is apple pie underneath. It can't be bad, right? There's apple pie and bacon. I like that there's sound at Loch Ness Monster. We're right outside of Loch Ness Monster. And they have like audio and stuff. That's cool. Oh wow. This is
That's what's up. The crab cake.
this is amazing.
The crab cake is like, it's soft, but it's also got a nice crunch to it. I made a complete mess of myself. So,
This is absolutely the bacon in this apple pie, apple crumb cake, I think. The bacon's what's up.
whoa,
I can see the apple now.
Okay, crab cake, really good.
really good crab cake.
And like that's a big serving. I
Yeah.
feel like.
And it's, when you're when you're using a little punch card, it's a great value because I think the sandwich was
It was 10
like
bucks.
$10 if you bought it with cash, but if you're using that card, you're making money. That's
Busch Gardens math.
Theme park math right
Theme
there.
park math.
You're making money on that deal.
Guys, are you excited to go on Loch Ness again? Yeah? Are you excited?
And it's the new update.
We just got off of Loch Ness. We've ridden this for the first time since they did the whole reimagining, the new theming. What did you guys think?
I'm speechless.
Logan kept saying, I'm speechless.
Logan, what was your favorite part?
My favorite was where there was like that cave, all those lights and stuff.
Okay, Ev, is that your favorite?
Actually, no, I'm gonna say that second loop to it when you get to see the Loch Ness Monster. That's crazy cool.
All the information that you're looking for is right here. But also it's in the app. So, but this is nice to have just like a little to go along with your travels.
And they do have next to each thing, if you kind of notice on there, you'll notice that, thank you, Train, that each thing has a little checkbox next to it, so you can make little check marks next to every one that you finish out.
Get your pen out. We
You
can
take your
some
pen,
notes.
whatever writing utensil you might bring with you. We did not do that, but ours is more of a mental check, but you know.
All right, let's talk best of the fest. Best of the fest.
Our favorite from the festival.
Yes.
Okay, we're using our handy dandy little travel guide here. Yeah.
So we went to Virginia, Hawaii, we went to the Margaritas and the Mexico booth.
Technically two different ones, sure.
Yeah. And then we did Jamaica, Bar Castle Spirits. Is that it?
So we did 6? We did a third of them.
We're gonna have to come back.
We got to come back.
We're gonna come
There's
back.
a lot. It sounds like a lot of good drinks that we missed out on.
My favorite foods, Mexico. Just all the tacos. I don't know
Tacos
how
are good.
Probably if I was gonna pick, I would pick the shrimp tacos or the top.
Yeah, but the trio, even though it was 3 punches or 3 different kind of things, that was still, it's worth kind of getting a little sample of each.
I loved the Jamaican patty.
Oh, Jamaican patty was
in
good with
Jamaica.
that sauce, that like dipping sauce that it came with.
And the pork slider in Hawaii. Those
Yes.
are my tops.
Yeah, I'm right there with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did the stuff from the Virginia booth was really good too.
Ooh,
That
yeah.
crab cake was really good. The little apple crisp.
Apple crisp was
oatmeal,
really
it had
good.
a bacon jam on there was really good.
Mm-hmm.
And that Chesapeake style crab cake slider, that was really good as well.
That was very good, yeah. I also really loved the apple pie moonshine was really good as well.
That was a nice pairing with
your
the
favorite
apple
drink?
crisp. Oh, that dark and stormy from Jamaica was really
Ooh,
good.
dark! I forgot about that. Dark and stormy was very good.
I know.
I feel like a lot of the drinks in Busch Gardens, a lot of sweet and sour mix in the drinks. So gonna be very sweet, but everything was very good and
Yeah.
very festive and fun, and they had music everywhere, so it was a good time.
And make sure you're drinking, while you're doing that, drinking plenty of water in between.
Yes, we drank a lot of water.
So we were
today.
we were having some adult beverages, but we're also making sure we're drinking a lot of water in there. Stay hydrated. That's the name of the game, especially it's a warm day today, but it's only going to get hotter throughout the summer.
I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Eric. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you want more content like this, make sure you like this video and then also subscribe to our channel.
That way you can get a lot more videos from us.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.